The Markaduke Research and Development Center is a niche center for research and development in Mimaropa. It is tasked to improve and produce a purebred native pig with predictable production performance and consistent product quality.
Si Roberto kukuha siya ng semen ngayon because they want to make sure na sa linya na ito lang manggagaling ang lahat ng tatatakan ng Markaduke kung magandang klase yung i-inseminate dun sa...
The current activities are in continuing collaboration and cooperation with other R&D centers and stakeholders.
Masarap talaga yung quality ng laman ng Markaduke. Yung sarap, kasi may marbling yung laman ng Markaduke, kaya tingnan nyo, nag-moist at saka hindi nag-dry agad yung laman. At hindi makapal yung taba. Kita nyo? Ang ganda. Oh, makapal yung balat, pero hindi makapal ang taba. Dr. Arnold, maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga itinuro mo sa akin, sa lahat ng mga pinatikim mo sa akin. Maraming salamat. Plus, of course, DOST. Thank you very much. Dahil din sa simple kong vlog, nag-reach out sila sa akin dahil natuwa sila na gusto ko ang suckling pigs ng Pilipinas at dahil meron talaga silang programa to make it consistent, sustainable, at dumami ang supplies, you wanted to make the Markaduke the best pigs, not just in the Philippines but in the world.
Markaduke pig ang tawag sa isang Philippine native pig na may natural genes for good quality meat. Kwento ni Marvin, masaya siya na ginawa niya ang trip na ito dahil bukod sa marami siyang natutunan, nakatikim pa siya ng masarap na klase ng karne ng baboy.
Kasi nagle-lechon si Marvin.
Oo, business opportunity to.
Ay, gusto ko sumama sa Marinduque. Dream destination ko yan sa Pilipinas, one of.
The plan is to engage in customized breeding for specialized and specialty products that will be supported with technology on forage and feed fermentation and improve husbandry practices. The Markaduke native pig is truly the pride of Filipinos for national development and continuing progress.